Welcome back. So in this video we are going to solve the questions from 51 to 60. Okay, so the first one, 51st one. A alone can complete a job in 4 days. A alone will complete a job in 4 days. He is twice as fast as B, while he is twice as fast as B. So and B is twice as fast as C. So B is twice fast. So if C is 1, B is 2. So if C can do a piece of work, a small piece of work, that will be doubled, that can be 2 times B can do the same piece of work. So twice. And the same A, B will, A is twice on B, so it's a 4. So 4 time, that means for 4 days, 4 pieces of work done in 1 day. So 4 times 16 units of work will be there. 16 units of work will be there. Then what is the question? If all of the work together, how many days would the job will be completed? Very simple. So 4 plus 1 plus 2. The answer here is 7. So they can complete 7 jobs in 1 day. But the total number of jobs present is actual work, 16 units. So 16 divided by 7. So A, B, C can finish 16 divided by 7. 7 how many times 16? It's 2. 7 2 times 14. 16 minus 14 is 2. 2 by 7 days. So answer is 2 by 7 days. That's it. So moving to the next question. Now 36 men take 18 days. 36 men take 18 days to complete the work, a piece of work. They worked for a period of 8 days. After 8 days, what happened? They worked for 8 days. And after that, they were joined by 4 more men. So 8 days is already over. Then leftover is 10 days. In that 10 days, 40 men are working because plus 4. 36 in addition to that 4 more men joined. So then how many more days will take? They were joined by 4 more men. How many more days they will take them to complete the remaining work? What about the remaining work? Remaining work is 10 days. But how many people? The people 36 men. But what they are asking here, it's about D2. So this is the question, very simple question. So it's M1, it's D1 and D2 should be known, but M2 is 40. So 36 into 10 equals to 40 into D2. 0 0 cancel, 4 ones 4 nines. Answer is 9 days. Answer over. So answer is 9 days. So moving to the next question. Tap M can fill a tank in 8 hours. Another tap N alone can empty the tank in 12 hours. So this is empty tank. Empty tap can empty in 12 hours and filling tap can fill in 8 hours. So if both taps are simultaneously, in what time in hours would the tank get filled? So simultaneously means M and N, they are working together. So 8 and 12, LCM is 24. So 8 how many times 24? 8 3 times 24. That means M can do 3 pieces of work. In 8 hours, the total tank will be filled. In the same manner, 12 how many times 24? It's 2 times. So it can empty 2 pieces of tank and it can completely empty in 12 hours. So this has to be subtracted. So only 1 unit of work can be done. 1 unit of work can be done, which the total units are 24 units. So it can finish in 24 hours. which is 24 by 1, which is 24 hours. So answer over. Moving to the next question. A 50 into 35 m fishing pond was dug by 250 workers in 18 days. So M workers are 250, days are 18. The number of days in which 70 m and 40 m. So here the work is 50 into 35. So the number of days in which 70 m into 40 m pond having the same depth. So 70 m into 40 m. 70 m into 40 m having the same depth can be dug by 300 workers. 300 workers. So here the question. So now, so M1 D1 by W1. So 250 into 18 divided by 50 into 35 equals to 300 into question mark divided by 70 into 40. So 50 one time, 50 5 time, 2 zeros cancel. So 7 how many times? 7 5 times. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. So 3 1 time, 3 6 time. 6 4s are 24. So 24 days are required to dig. Okay, moving to the next question. 5 women can paint a building in 30 working hours. 30 working hours. After 16 hours, 2 women decided to leave. So this is done already. This has to be taken next. So 5 women into 14 hours is the work remaining, but 2 women decided to leave. So 5 women minus 2 is 3. 3 women in how many hours? Don't know. Take to work to be finished. Yes. So that needs to be calculated. So 14 5 times how much? 70. 70 divided by 3 is the answer. So 70 divided by 3 is 23 1 by 3 days. So this is the answer. Moving to the next question. A certain number of men complete a piece of work in 70 days. X men complete in 60 days. And if there are 8 men more, the work could be finished in 10 days less. 10 days less means only 50 days. If it is X plus 8. So M1 D1 equals to M2 D2, I can compare. So 60X equals to 50X plus 50 into 8, it's 400. So 60 minus 50 is 10X. 10X equals to 400, X equals to 40. So 40 men. So answer over. Moving to the next question. So a garrison, there was food for 1,000 soldiers for 1 month. 1,000 soldiers for 1 month, 30 days. After 10 days, 1,000 more soldiers joined. After 10 days, this is actually 1,000 soldiers, 30 days. But after 10 days, more joined. So it is left only for 20 days. But they joined. So total 2,000 soldiers. Earlier 1,000, later 1,000 joined. 1,000 plus 1,000, total 2,000 soldiers. And in how many days would the soldiers be able to carry on with the remaining food? So now here is the question. So this is in reality for that. But here it is M1, here it is D1, here it is M2, and here I need to calculate D2. So 1,000 into 20 equals to 2,000 into D2. So answer is very simple. Zeros cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, so D2 equals to 10 days. Answer over. 10 days. Moving to the next question. The next question, a tank full of petrol in Ajay's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. So full tank will last for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, so in 10 days it moves, if it is 100%, if he is using 100% daily, but he starts using 25% more every day, that means 125% every day, in how many days it will last? This is what the question. So now it is again M1 D1 equals to M2 D2. So 100 into 10 equals to 125 into question mark. So 25 5 time, 25 4 time, 5 ones, 5 twos, 4 into 2 is 8. So within 8 days, this can be completed. But in reality, according to the percentage, you can solve it even more faster. What is that? So if 25% more enhances, the days will be reduced. 100 will move to 125. 125 will reduce 25. 25 out of 125 into 100. 25 ones, 25 fives, 5 ones, 5 20s. Answer is 20%. This is one method. So if I dig into deep, I can make you even more simpler. 25, I'll change the color. So 25% equals to 1 by 4. That you know. If he increased, increase means addition. Addition means 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equals to 20%. Answer over. So only 2 steps. So for this question. So 20%. So 20% of 10 is 2. 20% of 10 is 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8 days. So answer over. So this is again another method. So the last question here. A cistern has 2 pipes. One can fill the water in 8 hours. The other can fill empty in 5 hours. So in how many hours will the cistern be emptied if both the pipes are opened together when 3 by 4th of the cistern is already filled? 3 by 4th is already filled, so you have to fill or you have to empty. Please understand. So in how many hours will the cistern be emptied? That means 3 by 4th work, 3 by 4th empty. So 3 by 4th of the total tank can be calculated very fast. 8 and 5. LCM is 40. So 8 5 times, 5 8 times. So this is minus 3. So I am able to less the quantity of the tank. That is, it can empty the tank. If both the taps are open, it cannot fill the tank. So 40 by minus 3, the full tank can be emptied. But what I require? 3 by 4. 40 by 3 into 3 by 4. So answer is 10 hours. So here the answer is 10 hours. So with this, all the questions are complete. So please make sure, please go through all the questions one by one. So if you want to please make a notes and refer the methods and refer the questions, how you are analyzing the question properly, how you are understanding, how you are solving it, how you are traditional method. You please understand the traditional methods and you please understand the shortcut methods and you please understand the efficiency as well, and you can please understand even if percentages are involved, even that. So all these questions are very important to understand the basics as well as to crack your exams. You should understand and you should reach the questions very well. Okay, so by this I am stopping. So we will meet in next video. Until then, stay tuned.